Jack, a young dreamer, decided to delve into the wooden magic and uncover the secrets of woodworking. His first step was to meet with an experienced carpenter, Mr. Woodcraft, who would guide him in this wooden journey. In the midst of fragrant trees and sunlight, Jack stepped into Mr. Woodcraft's workshop. The seasoned craftsman, with a smile on his face, introduced him to the world of tools that would become the keys to carving in wood. Wood-carving chisels. Jack, these chisels are like magical wands that will allow you to discover the heart of a wooden tale. Each has its role, one for carving, another for smoothing. Wood saw. Mr. Woodcraft showcased a wood saw, evoking its potential for shaping and molding wood. This tool will open the gates of the wooden world for you. Saw with precision and watch as the wood begins to dance under your hands. Wooden mallet. Next, he handed him a sturdy wooden mallet. This is your tool. Use it in moderation. With the mallet, you infuse life into the wood, adding character. Sandpaper. The final stage was a discussion about sandpaper. It's like magical dust. With it, your work will gain smoothness and delicacy. Remember, wood loves to be caressed. With each tool, Mr. Woodcraft imparted a piece of his knowledge and love for wood. Jack left the workshop with a set of tools, but more importantly, with a heart filled with passion and eagerness to carve his own dreams. And so, Jack embarked on his woodworking adventure, armed with knowledge, tools, and endless dreams. Will his carvings come to life? Find the answers in the latest episode of Woodworking Wonders, The Tools Unveiled.